Innovation is the only sustainable form of differentiation. Hi, welcome to another series of Innovation News Update from NTT ComDD. My name is Lim Jabu. Together with me today, I have my colleague MK Sang. We are from the NTT ComDD Malaysia series, but today we are in our Tokyo office to do this video recording. Due to vast multi-vendor support from Tufin, that enables us to be able to do a lot of different kind of API integrations with multiple products. In our lab, we have done some API integrations with other products together with Tufin. Hi, MK-san. So can you share with us what you have done with Tufin in our lab in terms of the multi-vendor integration?
In terms of NTT ComDD value adds, we have developed the integration between Tufin with two other major products, which is Infoblox and also Cisco SecureX. On the integration with Cisco SecureX, we have done the following API integrations. Number 1, request server decommissions. Number 2, alert arrangements and contacts. On the first use case, when a typical server in the data center is found vulnerable and under attack by malicious traffic, there is a need to quickly update the rules in the firewall to remove the access to the same server totally. In this case, automated remediation is definitely more efficient than the manual approach. For second use case, Cisco SecureX threat response has provided a simplified way for threat investigations. When a potential incident is first detected, it may be, for example, an IDS alert with limited information. Manual collections of information by querying multiple data sources is time-consuming. This is where automation can help. From SecureX Orchestrator, we can run workflow to communicate with Tufin Secure Track to discover the information about the network objects, its topology, devices, and policy automatically.
So MK-san, what are the reasons why you and your team decided to actually develop the additional API integrations on Tufin?
The main driver is always about innovations. When we realize the challenge is due to the inefficiencies of current approach, we want to tackle it via an automated way to optimize it. Okay, now my colleague Hui-san will show you the demos on these integrations. Hui-san,
Innovation is the only sustainable form of differentiation. Hi, welcome to this episode of NTT ComDD's Innovation News Update. My name is Hui Yong-xiong. In this episode, I'm going to show you the demo scenario of getting the enrichment data when alert is detected. SecureX Threat Response has provided us the simplified way for threat investigation. When a potential incident is first detected, it may be a single endpoint detection or an IDS alert with very little information. For example, what we will know is a traffic flow with just source and destination IP triggering the alert. In order to successfully handle incidents, accurate data enrichment is required to provide actionable context for each alert. The first step is to determine if the alert is in fact an incident, and if it is, begin enriching the initial alert data and adding context. The enrichment data must be always accurate and up-to-date. Collecting this information is often done manually to query multiple data sources to gather all the network intelligence required, thus taking precious minutes or hours. This is where automation will help to speed up and minimize the time needed. In this demo, Cisco SecureX Orchestrator has been integrated with Tufin Secure Track. From SecureX Orchestrator, we can run the configure workflow to communicate with Secure Track using Tufin API to search for information about the network object, its topology, devices, and policies by entering the source and destination IP addresses. Once the searching has been completed, the information discovered will be uploaded to a file on Microsoft SharePoint. At the same time, the confirmation messages are sent to both collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams and Cisco WebEx. Let's begin the demo now. On the screen, you can see this is the Cisco SecureX Orchestrator. This is the workflow page. Let's select this alerts enrichment workflow that we have developed. Assuming that we have traffic flow with a pair of IP address which consists of the source and destination IP addresses, we can retrieve its enrichment data by running this workflow. On the variables input screen, we can enter its source IP address, say 172.16.32.30, and its destination IP address, say 172.31.2.42. Next, click on the Run button to begin. On this workflow running screen, we can see that whatever tasks with a green color box display are tasks that has been completed. The first step of this workflow is to resolve the object. Next is to search its topology, followed by searching all its relevant policies applied to this pair of IP address. The tasks with a blue color box display refer to those running in progress. Once the discovery has been completed, the output file will be uploaded to the SharePoint site. Also, the confirmation messages will be posted to both WebEx as well as Microsoft Teams. Now, let's switch to one of the collaboration tools, say Microsoft Teams. We can see there are notifications of the various task execution status, like for the object resolving, topology searching, policy searching, etc. Also, we can retrieve the result by accessing this URL, which will link us to our SharePoint site. The results are stored in JSON file formats. Let's click on the first one, and this is the result from the object resolving task. The second one is the result of policy searching, and the last one is for topology searching. Alright, that's all I would like to show in this episode.